Oh, hey, sorry. I didn't see you there. My name is Destiny Amaya Sanchez-Lascudine. I'm in 4th grade. I'm 10 years old. And now, because of coronavirus, I'm homeschooled. I live in Santa Monica, California, and I love going to the beach. Hey guys, this is what's been helping me survive homeschool, a schedule. Coronavirus is making it impossible to get to school and work. It has changed my life and my routine. Number 1, I'm now homeschooled. Number 2, I can't leave the house anymore. Number 3, I can't even see any of my friends. Number 4, I miss the car rides going to karate, gymnastics, dance class, and especially fancy restaurants. Number 5, my parents also are working from home. From 8 to 8:50, I do math with Khan Academy. I'm on a break from 8:50 to 9, and I love talking to my friends. So today I'm going to talk to Sienna, and we're making a movie. Hey Sienna, how do you like the dance video?
I loved it so much. It was such a good video. I think we should do that, but the handstand part, I don't know how to do it. So can you, I think we need to switch it up. Maybe can we do like a back bend for that part?
Yeah, sure. From 9 to 9:50, we have reading and writing with Scholastic News. I just finished writing about the Titanic. I didn't know people thought the ship was unsinkable. I have another break, 9:50 to 10. I love doing crossword puzzles. From 10 to 10:30, I do mindfulness with my dad, Chris. Check out this video.
Breathing in. Observe the air entering your nostrils. Breathing out. Observe the air releasing.
From 10:30 to 11, I have art and coloring. From 11 to 11:50, I do social studies with vocabulary. I love learning with music.
The virus is a type of virus. In fact, there are multiple different kinds. COVID-19 is the illness caused by
11:50 to 12, I love jumping in my trampoline for my breaks. From 12 to 12:30, I have my amazing lunch. From 12:30 to 1, I love doing Go Zen because it helps me understand my feelings and emotions.
anywhere. 24-hour emotional fitness is here for you.
From 1 to 2, I love doing mystery science and learning about weird things.
Today, we have a question about April Fool's Day from someone named Mira. Let's give her a call now.
From 2 to 3, I love reading my favorite books. From 3 to 4, I love doing physical education with my dad, Chris. Check out this clip. Spend my time after school hanging out with my puppy. I'm really missing going to the park and playing with my friends, but now I can use Facebook Messenger Kids and talk to them. I get to spend more time with my family. I get to cook with my dad Miguel. I have PE and mindfulness with my dad Chris. I really enjoy that. My least favorite thing used to be writing paragraphs, but I kept on practicing and practicing and practicing. So basically I never gave up, and now I just love writing. I remember me and my family learned to communicate better with each other, like talk about feelings with each other. Like if one of us is feeling annoyed with the other person, we could tell each other. And I would also remember that me and my family take more videos and laugh more together. That's called deep focus breathing. Allow me to demonstrate. So you want to make sure you focus on your breathing. So put your hand on your chest and a hand on your stomach. Close your eyes and breathe in. And then out. In. Out. Make sure you focus on the sensation of your breath. I want to know how they're doing with social isolation and how they're coping with it to make sure their anxiety is on a low level, because I know this situation can be stressful. Hey everyone, thank you so much for learning about what I do to survive quarantine. I hope to learn more about you guys. Bye! Please subscribe!